And then again, this tip has, it's about the rule of the thirds. And the rule of the thirds is the way that you can split your phone screen or your controller screen. I think it should probably be only the phone, but I think the controller has it nowadays. Do not always rely on the rule of the thirds. What does that mean? The rule of the third is when you, again, split the image in quadrants, and when you put your subject in one of these lines, let's say the center, that's an easy concept to visualize. Your horizon on the third, or putting the person or whatever you're filming on the third quadrant, but do not always rely on the rule of thirds. Why? Sometimes you just want to center your subject, and actually, it's very compelling to have these really bold images of a subject centered in the middle of the frame. I don't know, you're in the center above a bridge and the drone zooms out on you and just flies away from you or flies towards you. You have, a very strong image when you are the center of the frame. It can be, let's say, a turn and cyclists pass by and you film those cyclists going uphill. They need to be in the center. Now, do we have something in the center here? Yeah. Now we have this narrow, you cannot even call it this canyon, maybe a small river that it used to be a river, but you can see that it clearly is a passage of a waterway, that has more trees over there. This is exactly why the trees are over there, because there used to be water. Water was running downhill. Is this the center? It's not really the center. It could have been one, but I said, you know what? That's enough of it. Now, is it easy to do so? Yes, you just need to take a street, take a tree line, take a church, and have it in the center of the image. Now, is this the center? It bloody is the center. It's as easy as that. Just have it, face towards it, aim towards it, showcase it, and then fly away. Do something else, change the frame. This is, by the way, pretty much late in the afternoon, and we have so much shade, but the white in the buildings showcases greatly. This is what I wanted to say about this video as well. We've covered it in the previous drum tip, so make sure to go back and actually watch the playlist because it's very easy to digest content. I know it's not rocket science. You know this, I know this, but you might have been missing something that you're gonna add to your toolkit of shooting drone clips. Until the next one, do subscribe in this one, do like this one because I know you haven't done it already, and to make sure to be around for more because it's coming. It's coming. Yes, it is. Many kisses and cheers. I'm going to be seeing you in the next one. Much love. Do like.